Want to make a character truly unforgettable? Use the single distinctive feature. Most writers exhaust a reader's working memory by listing every mundane detail of height, hair, and eye color. Instead, picture a protagonist who survived a harsh, unforgiving environment that fundamentally altered their personality. If you give them a full checklist of standard physical traits, it just creates cognitive noise. Your brain immediately discards all those generic labels. The single distinctive feature solves this by stripping away that noise. It assigns exactly one physical detail that externalizes the character's internal truth. But here's the catch. How does removing physical details actually make someone easier to picture? Because the single physical anchor acts as a cognitive shortcut. It provides just enough specific data for your imagination to effortlessly generate the rest of the body around it. So let's return to that hardened survivor from the beginning of our story. By simply giving them a severe, uneven haircut, you instantly visualize their trauma without ever needing their exact height or eye color.